Hello and welcome to Unit 1 Multiplication as Repeated Addition. Today you will learn how multiplication is like repeated addition and how to use multiplication to solve problems. In this unit, Unit 1, students will use counters to model equal groups and use repeated addition or multiplication to find the total number. Don't forget to download your counters page from the website. You will be using this page throughout the lesson. One essential question: how can you find the total number of objects in equal groups? Think about this question throughout the lesson. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to answer this question. Multiplication as repeated addition. Can you name some items that come in packages that have more than one item in a package? You might have something in your home right now that has more than one item in a package. Think about going to the store. Are there some things you have seen that have more than one item in a package? What about the grocery store? Well, I'm sure you have thought of some things already. Here's a few examples that you might have thought of. A bag of Skittles, a package of new pencils, and even a case of water bottles. Now, I like to pose a problem or a situation that we can work out together. Listen to the story. Miss Witt bought 3 boxes of finger paints with 5 jars of paint in each box. How can you use counters to find the total number of jars? Right now, I want you to think about how can you use your counters to help you solve this problem. Now let's remember, this problem we can use repeated addition. Let me show you how you can add to find the total. First, we get our counters and we put them in groups of 5. 4, 5. 5 plus 5 more plus another 5 equals, that's right, you've guessed it, 15. The problem with Miss Witt involves joining equal groups. So you can use multiplication to find the total when equal groups are being joined. Let's draw a picture, and while you are there at home, use your counters to show the problem. If we want to multiply, we need to write the number of groups multiplied by the number in each group. Let me illustrate. 1 counter, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, we are going to group each set of 5. We have 2 groups and 3 groups. Thus, we have 3 groups multiplied by 5 items in each group equals, that's correct, 15. Now, the 3 and the 5 in a multiplication sentence are known as factors. And in a multiplication sentence, the 15 is known as the product. This concludes the lesson for multiplication as repeated addition.